Are you an older man curious about attracting younger women? Today, we're diving into the essential seduction skills that you need to master. This isn't just about superficial tactics. It's about understanding the deeper, subtle nuances of attraction. We'll explore everything from emotional intelligence to the art of subtle flirtation. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what truly appeals to younger women. Oh, and don't forget to stick around for the bonus tip at the end of our video. It's a subtle yet powerful technique that ties all these skills together, enhancing your approach to attraction. 1. Cultivating emotional intelligence. Let's jump into the world of emotional intelligence, a vital skill older men need to master to attract younger women. Why is emotional intelligence so crucial in this context? Let's explore further. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. For younger women, being with someone who possesses this skill can be incredibly appealing. It's about having a partner who can navigate the complexities of feelings with understanding and maturity. It's not just about responding to emotions, it's about comprehending them, empathizing, and reacting in a way that shows deep understanding. Think of emotional intelligence as a dance, where both partners move in harmony with each other's emotional rhythms. It's about being attuned to her feelings, knowing when to offer support, when to give space, and when to share in her joys or sorrows. This level of emotional connection can create a strong bond, far deeper than mere surface-level interactions. For older men, this means going beyond the traditional notions of masculinity, embracing vulnerability, and being open to emotional sharing. By cultivating emotional intelligence, you're not just attracting a partner, you're creating the foundation for a meaningful, connected, and fulfilling relationship. 2. Effective communication. Now, let's talk about the art of communication, a pivotal skill for older men in attracting younger women. Effective communication is more than just exchanging words. It's about creating a bridge of understanding. Why is this so important? Let's examine this closely. Communication in this context goes beyond mere talk. It's about connecting on a deeper level. It involves active listening, where you're not just hearing her words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. For younger women, having a partner who listens attentively and responds thoughtfully can be incredibly appealing. It shows respect, care, and a genuine interest in what she has to say. It's also about clarity and honesty in expressing your own thoughts and feelings. This doesn't mean just bluntly stating facts, but sharing your perspectives in a way that is open, respectful, and considerate of her feelings. Effective communication is like the glue in a relationship. It holds things together, helps navigate through misunderstandings, and builds a stronger bond. For older men, mastering this skill means creating a space where both partners feel heard, understood, and valued. It's a cornerstone of a healthy, vibrant relationship, bridging any age gap with the power of understanding and empathy. 3. Confidence without arrogance. Let's navigate the delicate balance between confidence and arrogance, a crucial aspect for older men looking to attract younger women. Why is this balance so important? Let's dissect this dynamic with a closer lens. Confidence is a magnetic quality, especially in the eyes of younger women. It's about carrying yourself with an air of self-assuredness and comfort in your own skin. This kind of confidence is attractive because it exudes a sense of stability and strength. It's like being the captain of a ship. You know the waters, you understand the course, and you navigate with a calm, composed demeanor. However, there's a thin line between confidence and arrogance. Arrogance can be off-putting. It's when self-assurance turns into self-importance and respect for others diminishes. The key is humility, having the ability to be confident in your abilities and experiences, yet remaining open to learning, listening, and valuing her perspective. Imagine confidence as a soft yet bright light. It illuminates your strengths without blinding those around you. This blend of confidence and humility makes for a powerful combination that can draw younger women towards you. It shows that you not only respect yourself, but also those you interact with, creating an environment of mutual respect and attraction. Before we dive into the next point, I hope you're finding these insights valuable. If so, why not engage with me? A quick like, a comment, or a subscription goes a long way. Each interaction, each piece of feedback makes a significant impact. 4. Staying informed and relevant. Let's dive into the importance of staying informed and relevant, a key skill for older men in the art of attracting younger women. Why does this matter? Let's examine it more closely. Staying informed and relevant is about more than just keeping up with the latest trends or knowing the newest buzzwords. It's about showing that you are engaged with the world she lives in. It involves understanding contemporary culture, technology, and social issues, areas that are likely important to her. This doesn't mean you need to be an expert in all her interests, but showing that you're open to learning and discussing these topics can be incredibly appealing. It's like being a seasoned traveler in a new country. You may not know every street, but you have the skills and willingness to explore and understand the culture. This openness to new ideas and experiences shows that you're adaptable and interested in the world from her perspective. By staying informed and relevant, you're not just bridging the age gap, you're building a bridge of shared interests and mutual understanding. This approach shows her that you value her world and are excited to be a part of it, enhancing your connection and making your interactions more meaningful and vibrant. 5. Displaying genuine interest and curiosity. Now, let's talk about the power of genuine interest and curiosity in building attraction with younger women. Why is this so significant? Let's explore it in depth. Showing genuine interest in a younger woman's life, thoughts, and passions signifies that you value her as a person. It's not just about casual conversation. It's about diving deeper into her world. Ask about her dreams, her challenges, her joys, and her fears. It's like opening a book you genuinely want to read, not just skim through the pages. Curiosity plays a pivotal role here. It's about being eager to learn and understand her perspective, which can be different due to the age gap. This willingness to explore her viewpoint demonstrates respect and admiration. It's like being a student in her world, where every detail she shares is a lesson about her life and experiences. This approach is not about patronizing or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about authentic engagement, where your interest is driven by a sincere desire to know her better. Such authenticity can be incredibly attractive to younger women, as it creates a space where they feel seen, heard, and appreciated. Showing genuine interest and curiosity can build a strong, emotionally connected bond, one that is based on mutual respect and understanding. 6. Understanding and respecting boundaries. This is a vital skill for older men in building a meaningful connection with younger women. Why are boundaries so important? Let's take a peek at that. Respecting boundaries is about recognizing and honoring her personal space, decisions, and preferences. It's a sign of maturity and understanding, showing that you see her as an individual with her own autonomy. This isn't just about physical boundaries. It extends to emotional and mental ones as well. It means being mindful about not overstepping or imposing your own perspectives and experiences onto her. Think of it like gardening. You provide the right environment for the plant to grow, but you don't control how it grows. Respecting her boundaries allows her to feel safe and valued for who she is, not just for the role she plays in your life. This respect builds trust, a foundational element in any relationship. It sends a message that you're interested in a healthy, balanced partnership, not a one-sided dynamic. By understanding and respecting her boundaries, you're not just attracting a younger woman. You're laying the groundwork for a relationship based on mutual respect and genuine connection, which is attractive at any age. And now, for the bonus tip, the art of subtle flirtation, a crucial skill for older men in the world of attraction. Why does subtlety matter so much? Let's dive into this nuanced art. Subtle flirtation is about the understated yet impactful ways you express your interest and attraction. It's not about grand gestures or overt comments. It's about the small, thoughtful details that show you're paying attention. It could be a lingering look, a gentle tease, or a compliment that's more about her character than her appearance. Think of it as the difference between a soft, inviting melody and a loud, overwhelming song. Subtle flirtation is that soft melody, intriguing and inviting without being invasive. It's about creating a sense of intrigue and interest that draws her in. This approach requires a good read of her responses and comfort level. It's a dance where you're attuned to her signals and respectful of her pace. Subtle flirtation, when done right, can be incredibly charming and effective. It shows that you're considerate, sophisticated, and in tune with her feelings, which can be a major draw for younger women. This skill, when mastered, opens up a world of connection that is both respectful and filled with potential. Now that you understand those vital seduction skills, what's next on your journey? Discover how to flirt with younger women, or learn the subtle things women do when hitting on you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.